Want to know how to get the best solar power installation, without the expensive costs? Without struggling with searching for the solar power installation that meets your budget needs. Question: when it comes to Worcester, Massachusetts, solar power installation, what do you think is the biggest challenge folks have? One of the biggest challenges people have with solar power installation is finding a reliable and affordable solar power installation company in Worcester. And why is this such a challenge? It's because so many people make this big mistake of not taking the time to schedule appointments with experienced solar panel installers in Worcester. And why should you care? You should care because you want to find a reputable solar power company in Worcester. So are you ready to find a Worcester solar installation company who can save you energy costs? That is perfect. Let's make this easy. Here are 3 things you ought to know to help you be able to find the best, affordable solar power company in Worcester. Is it possible to power a household entirely by solar power? This is important because it is possible to power a household entirely by solar power. You will benefit from this most if you are looking to understand how solar power works. Now, you should be ready to get the best affordable solar power company in Worcester. How much solar power do you need to power an entire house? Are you looking to get the best out of your solar power installation? Pay close attention. This is important because you want to save energy costs with solar power installation. The next thing you should consider is to get an affordable solar power installation now. How many watts of solar energy is needed to power a home for 24 hours? This is important because you want to make the most of your solar power installation. This will help you significantly if you are ready to save energy costs. Finally, pick a solar power company that has experienced solar panel installers. Now you understand some of the top things you need to know about Worcester solar power installation. There's no reason to keep struggling with searching for the solar power installation that meets your budget needs. Are you ready to know exactly where to find the best, affordable solar power company in Worcester? Are you ready to get help with Worcester Solar Power? Are you ready to talk to the best solar power installation company in Worcester? Contact us now.